Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can install WordPress theme in our WordPress dashboard. First of all, we have to go to our WordPress dashboard. Here you can see I have installed the XAMPP server and there I installed the WordPress. If you don't know how to install the WordPress in XAMPP server, the link is available in the description. You can simply watch my previous video. So now let's get started. Actually, there are three methods to install the WordPress theme on WordPress dashboard. If you are using XAMPP, then there are three methods. If you are using WordPress dashboard directly from hosting and domain, then there are two methods. Let me show you. Here you can see this is our WordPress dashboard. I already have explained about WordPress dashboard in my previous video. If you want to know, you can simply watch the video. The link is available in the description. To install WordPress theme, we have to go to our appearance section. Here you can see in appearance section, there is a theme tab. In theme tab, there are three themes are installed. Remember that we can active one theme at one time. So here you can see 2020 theme is active now, and I will show you how we can install other theme in our WordPress dashboard. So in our first method, we can install theme directly from search box. For that, we will click on add new and then we will search here. Let me show you what to search. I want to install Astra theme, so I will search Astra and I will enter the button, and here you can see after searching Astra, you can see the results. Here is Astra theme. Now simple, I will click on install. In a few moments, the theme will be installed. Here you can see our Astra theme is installed. Now we will simply hit the activate button so that our theme can be activated. When I click on activate, this theme will be activated and it will change our design. Here you can see the design of website is changed. Because the design of website depends on theme. If I used Astra, the design will look like this. If you can test, I can show you that by activating 2020 theme, its design will be changed. And now let me refresh the page, and here you can see the design is now different. Actually, the whole website's design is basically depending on the theme. You can also search that who developed this theme and other things. I will activate now Astra because I will work Astra after incoming videos. Here you can see Astra theme is installed, and if you want to know the details of theme, you can simply click on the theme, and here you can see theme name, and its developer was Brainstorm Force. And here you can see Astra options, menus, widgets, customize, and other things also. You can also read about the theme. Remember that you have to use your theme that match your functionality. If you are working on WooCommerce, then you could have to install the WooCommerce theme. If you are working on blogging, then you can install blogging theme. So it was our first method. So now we will discuss our second method, that is downloaded theme. When we click on add new, and here you can see a tab that is upload theme. When we click on upload theme, here we can simple browse our theme that will be available in our files. So simple we will upload that theme so that we can install the theme. You can see I already downloaded the zodiac astrology. Simple, I will click on it and we click on open. You can see theme is there. It also says that if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So it is our second method that we can install theme by uploading. So after uploading, I will simple hit the install now. In some moments, the theme will be installed. Here you can see theme is installed successfully. By activating again, the theme layout will be changed. Let me show you by when I activate this theme, the layout of the website and like design, its header, footer will be changed. Here you can see theme is now activated zodiac astrology. So when I click or refresh the page, the theme's layout sorry, the website's layout will be changed. Here you can see the website's layout is changed now. There is another method, that is third method. Actually, the third method can be used only if you are using XAMPP server. So if you are using XAMPP server, then this method will work for you. If you are using hosting like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Hostinger, etc., then you cannot use this method for uploading themes. And that is easy method. Like first of all, you have to go to the folder where you have downloaded the theme. If you don't know how to download the WordPress theme, I will make a separate video for that. Here you can see Zodiac Astrology theme is downloaded. First, we will download the theme from WordPress.org. Simple, I will go to WordPress.org and here you can see I have landed on WordPress.org. Now I will search for the theme. Let me search the theme. We will install Elementor theme. Elementor theme. First, I will download the theme, then I will upload this theme to the HD docs folder of our XAMPP server that we created in our C folder. Hello Elementor WordPress theme. So simple, I will click on it so that I can download this theme. Here you can see the download button. I will download this theme. It says idiom, etc. Okay, and start download. Cancel it. The theme is downloaded. First of all, you have to check where the theme is downloaded. In my case, the theme is downloaded in download and then compressed folder. And here you can see Hello Elementor is added. Let me show you the WordPress dashboard. In our theme section, there are 4 themes that we have installed. Those are Astra, Zodiac Astrology 2020, 2021, 2022. So now I will add another theme that is Hello Elementor. So if you are using XAMPP, simple, you have to copy this Hello Elementor file. You can see I simple copy this and now I will go to the C drive where I installed the XAMPP. After going to XAMPP, I will open the HD docs and here you have created a folder with your website name. I created a folder with the name Tech with Team. So I opened it and in going to WP content, there you can see a themes option. Simple, open the theme and here you can see the theme that you have already installed. Astra 2020, 2021, 2022 and Zodiac Astrology theme. Now simple, I will paste the theme that I copied now and I will extract it here. Extract here. You can see Hello Elementor is extracted here. It means that this theme is added in our themes content. So now if we go to our WordPress dashboard and refresh the page, you will see that another theme will be available. Here you can see another theme is now available. So you can see the layout for Zodiac and if now I install this, now if I activate this Hello Elementor theme, here you can see I activated the Hello Elementor theme. It will also affect the design of our website. It means that our design for the website will be changed. Now refresh the website. Here you can see the design of the element. The design of our website is completely changed. It means that the themes are actually the design for the website that we use for different purposes. If you are using blog, then you have to use your blog theme. If you are using any other functionality like e-commerce website, then you should use e-commerce theme. So this was the content that I shared with you. For more videos and updates, kindly subscribe the channel and stay connected with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.